Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So moving on regarding in those participles or those words which are commonly used in the Arabic language, within the majority of them, a few of them are left. We finish those off inshallah. ويقال ويقال في إذ بالسكون ظرف لما مضى من الزمان. What does that mean? When you have the word إذ, it means when. The word is means when. But بالسكون, because obviously he's differentiating between إذ and إذا. So وفي إذ بالسكون, when you have إذ بالسكون, you say ظرف لما مضى من الزمان. ظرف لما مضى من الزمان. We say a zarf for the time which has passed, meaning a past tense verb. For example, so you say وَاذْكُرْ إِذْ كُنْتُمْ قَلِيلًا.
There's another verse which is very mashhur.
Which one? Yeah, very good. وَلَوْ أَنَّهُمْ إِذْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُم. And if they had come to the Prophet إِذْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُم, when they wronged themselves. Okay? And so the word إِذ means a past tense. So when you say إِذ, you say ظرف لما مضى من الزمان. وفي إذا, when you have إذا, you say ظرف مستقبل. And the word مستقبل, I keep forgetting this. You can say مستقبل and مستقبل. I keep forgetting which one is better. But maybe there's different scholars, different opinions. So when you do Tasrif al-Izzi, we'll discuss it again in there. Hopefully I remember this time. But there's two opinions regarding mustaqbal. Some say mustaqbal is better, some say mustaqbil is better. I can't remember who said what. But you can say both of them. So there's no issue. One of them is rajih and one of them is marjuh. I can't remember which one is which. So he says here, ظرف مستقبل خافض لشرطه منصوب بجوابه. Okay? You say that إذا is a zarf mustaqbal, meaning it shows the future tense. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. So in future, when the help of Allah will come. Now, you have the word khafid. What does khafid mean? Yeah, khafdun is equal to jarrun. Khafid is equal to jarrun. And makhfudun is equal to majrurun. Correct? Are you following? Yes? Okay? And then, that's the other term. So what we're saying here, that the إذا is zarfun mustaqbalun khafidun li shartihi. What does it do? It makes a shart makhfud, meaning majroor. Why? What's the Irab? Because it says here, إذا So you say إذا جاء الماء بطلت. So إذا جاء الماء بطل التيمم. So what he's saying here, that إذا itself is what? خافض. Because what we say before, that the awamil, one amil is what? Al-mudaf. So because this becomes mudaf, this is what? Mudaf. It's shart. The sentence after it becomes what? Mudafun ilayhi. So you have mudafun and mudafun ilayhi. You got it? Okay? Now, so this is khafid li shartihi. But what's i'rab itself? This mudaf ilay. The mudaf ilay is fa'il and fa'il. Become the mudaf ilay. And then the mudaf ilay become what? Mansubun bi jawabihi. It's a maf'ulun fi of the batala. Fa'ilun fa'il. So, إذا is a zarf zaman, which is for the future. It itself is a khafid. It makes the word after it majroor because it's a mudaf. So it's khafid. It does amal, but it's also ma'mul. It also receives what? It's also in a nasab state because of the jawab batala. So this is a shart. But not that part. Astaghfirullah. So this part from here, this is the shart. What's that? The shart. And this is the jawabu shart. So the shart is majroor, is makhfooz. You see, the shart is makhfooz, majroor, because of the mudaf. And the jawabu shart makes it mansoob. So it's khafidun li shartihi, but itself is mansoobun bi jawabihi. Is that clear? Have you understood? Yeah? Okay. Now moving on. Kalla. Where does kalla come? Where's the first place kalla comes in the Quran? Kalla only comes, never comes in the first half. The first place that kalla comes in the Quran is Surah Maryam or Surah Taha, one of those places. Okay? Okay? So you have kalla. So kalla is harfu rad'in. What is it? Was a question? Okay. So the question here is, what he's explaining. So let's look at this example again. Okay. Right. So we have here. إذا. So let's do it properly in our normal scheme. إذا جاء الماء بطلت تيمم. So إذا جاء الماء بطلت تيمم. Okay. So we leave with the main part. So the main part is بطل is the فاعل. Correct? This is the فاعل. Correct? And this is the مفعول به, مفعول فيه, ويسمى ظرفا. Okay? These are the grammatical slots. Correct? But because in meaning wise, you still have something condition, the consequence of the condition. So in meaning wise, you will say, well, this part here, إذ جاء الماء, this is the shart. And the batal tayammum is jawabu shart. I know it's not adding up. Okay? Correct? So he's saying here that the ja al-ma is a shart and jawabu shart. So the idha makes the shart, meaning ja al-ma, majroor as by via idafa. And the idha itself is mansoob because of the fa'il batala, which is jawabu shart. Do you understand?
Idha is that a shart?
Idha is it adatu shart? It doesn't do amal, it's ghayr amil. But it does give the meaning of zarf in a shart context. But see, that's why they're having a question, and that's why it's confusing. You don't call it shart jawabu shart. You call the idha is maf'ulun fi. The idha is mudaf and the mudafun ilay is a whole jumla, that's maf'ulun fi. But he's still calling it shart because it has a shart element to it. When the element, that's like a. So he's calling it shart, but in Irab you call it maf'ulun fi. You don't call it shart. And I don't know if others have agreed with him on that. I need to look this up. I don't know if others agreed with him calling this the shart. It's a mudafun ilay. So all the books of Arab says is mudafun ilay, but he's calling it the shart. I understand why from the meaning perspective. But in Arab you make the idha jaa al-ma mudaf ilay become the maf'ulun fi.